Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will see how ads can be easily made using artificial intelligence. Because if we look at standard-based learning, then the first step is going to ChatGPT. We go to ChatGPT and write different scripts. With those scripts, ads are created. After that, websites like Canva are used to design various advertisements, and that involves multiple steps. But what if we skip all of that? Instead of repeating boring processes, we use an AI tool that can generate ads within minutes. These are ads that require no manual effort. Just sit back and wait while artificial intelligence handles everything. This includes boost ROI with AI ad creatives and auto posting. First, ads are created, then posts are also generated. These can be used to support return on investment. We will try this for free. Here, signing up is required. Here we have some of the options showing what ads will be used for. So we will say make content for social media or to create ads. We will directly go with ads. This will continue with us. I am the agency owner. Here we will say that we discovered it from social media. Now we have to include a website. So I will enter the website here. I will just copy the link. After copying that, we will paste it here. And then we will go with a single finish. Now what it will do is directly scrape the website, and by scraping it, it will directly provide responses. These responses will show the different ads that can be created and related content. Now what we have is that based on how this is used, it might be the perfect first step. Now what we have is the section asking what the post is about, and after that post, we can directly generate it. The template will be AI picked. Number of generations, we will select 2. Here, because we are posting on selected options. So I will create a mobile layout here, and we will add a post. Here we have added the topic and the selected input, the tip for balancing full-time work and learning to code. Here we have it now. We will just click on generate. And within no time, now you can see that the ad will be generated, and inside this ad, we can include more options or customization that are available. It is generating the post. We have an AI model to generate creative things layer by layer, and we can also edit them. Here now we have a complete advertisement that is being generated from start to end. This is now an advertisement in which obviously we have to pay something to remove the watermark, but as of functionality, we can go directly to it and create ads and related content. Now in the ad creation, the next step we have is how we can publish it. What do we have to do for publishing? We have to connect some of the connections. Here we have Instagram, we have Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. All those accounts can be linked. YouTube and Facebook Reels are not included in the time being. And here we can use it. The next option available here is Gamma. Gamma is the one I mentioned earlier. Let's suppose if I go and type ads, advertisements. What it will do is instantly generate presentations and a variety of other content. We will start for free. Here too, we need to log in using a basic Google account.
How do I plan to use Gamma?
I will use it for personal tasks. There are many options available here. We will select the design.
What do we need to do?
So instead of building a website, what we will do is create social media assets here. We can also generate images and other visuals. This is the basic setup. We will say that yes, the learning came from this platform. There are 3 options available. We can paste in the text and create notes and outlines. We can generate it directly or import a viral URL. Here we will proceed with the simple generate option. There are multiple options presented. We will go with the social one. On the social one, we can add any choice like the one created earlier. We will use it. Here we have the caption available, so we will include the caption and add the input form directly from here. Here we have balancing full time. I will take this input prompt in the beginning, and here we have the option. Here we have included all the data. I will also include the tips here that this is the main topic. Obviously, there is a difference between this and the previous one. We have very limited functionality here, but we can still do a lot of things. We have a free-form content setup. We will say that we want it to be minimal. We want to condense it. The sources in it should be images. The images should be professional. They should appear visually appealing, and we will need tech-oriented images. We can use any of these models directly, but I will go with the normal model provided here. So this will be included directly in it. After including that, we have the social format. We will select using the portrait option. We can give additional instructions in portrait. I will say that I want to limit it to only 2 cards. Here we will move on to 5 cards only. Here we have continue. We will get a theme preview.
Which theme we want to go with?
Because it's an advertisement, we will go with a generic theme, and we will click on generating. So here it took a bit of time, and we had to wait briefly for the rendering process to complete successfully. But after that, you can see it added a much better starting and ending line. Now, if we want to adjust the theme slightly, such as switching to a darker theme, we can easily create and apply it in seconds. Within this, we can also add it in presentation format, with custom layouts and transition options. By clicking on Present, all the generated slides will be available, which we can review along with complete transitions. For now, we've kept it limited to a few pages to demonstrate functionality quickly, effectively. If we go back and add more pages, like 8 cards, or extend it to 9 cards and request a more detailed version, we can include images that are fashionable, visually appealing, and tech-focused. We also need a social format, and there are many options available, including markdowns for easy sharing across platforms. We have the length setting, which we can adjust using tokens. If we extend this slightly, additional options become available. Continuing with it will generate a more compact layout. We can select this one and click on Generate, and within minutes, a complete presentation will be ready. This helps us present brand identity and branding for future use. Here we have complete generation capabilities. If we're including any new design or layout, we can remove the background and, instead of using an accent image, add an actual image or a specific card design. We can also change the card color and mention that we want the writing to be improved. This will result in a better format for the content. Since there's a multi-share screen feature, we can directly share it from here. If multiple users are involved, it can be shared instantly. From here, by sharing, we can copy the link and seamlessly share it to another browser. So we have the option to view the workspace in that browser, and we can become familiar with how everything functions effortlessly. It will take some time to load all essential system resources, but once it does, change will be visible to the affiliate and team member. Multiple changes are visible on both screens simultaneously, allowing for seamless collaboration and immediate feedback between users in real time. Here we can view the final cut, in which all images, annotations, and elements are included. We can observe how everything is working, but since context and imagery are not yet installed, the content is still in creation mode. If we reduce the layout slightly, the remaining features will be available without obstruction. The most credible feature here is the theme, in which we can customize color schemes, typography, and visual accents to align with our brand identity. We can import the theme and also bring it in from external sources. We have a search option where we can include all the blocks we want. We have card templates, smart layouts, and basic blocks. If we want images like Giphy, icons, QR, unsplash, accent, AI, etc., we can also add a prompt like figurative work, working delicately at a desk surrounded by various coding tools and materials. We can enhance it further and also add a style like photography. We will get all the designs. The model we will use is Imagen and Flux Ideogram. You can use any model. We will click on Generate. It will take some time, but it will create more elegant images. And we can use this image for further working. Here we have multiple images from Gamma that we can directly use, and we can also delete the previously created part. This layout can also be removed, and this will be the basic image. All the changes we make here will be unlocked here. And there are all the different discussions that we can have, exploring numerous variations and possible approaches. I'm not saying we are providing guides like how to create ads or how to develop a presentation, just related to brand image and brand kit elements that we can introduce here within the assistant interface. You can see options like create a video, create an image, and more creative assets. If we use any of these options, it will deliver exactly the same type of content consistently. Like we can say, create an Instagram reel for a brand named MetaBrains, and it will generate precisely that matching content. We don't have any limitations in this process or in the formats we can output. It will take some time, but it will yield better results, and the complete ad will be generated. If we see this ad here in the preview, we have this ad ready for use across any social platform instantly. This functionality is directly available for us to use. And within this interface, we also have access to various other content and creative resources instantly. This is the course module, where we created advertisements, then crafted presentations, and afterward, developed content demonstrating how multitasking can be achieved using 2 to 3 tools simultaneously and effectively. And if we integrate those tools into our content pipeline and workflow, this platform will automatically coordinate their functions and deliver seamless results without manual steps. If we decide to publish the outputs, we simply return to this dashboard, generate multiple posts, or connect each directly to our social media accounts and initiate the publishing instantly. We only need to authorize and link all relevant accounts once, and thereafter, with a single click, we can begin publishing across platforms seamlessly. Also, thank you for watching this tutorial demonstration, and we appreciate your time and engagement as you explore these powerful content creation and publishing tools. Hope you found this content valuable. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with more informative videos.